Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie in the house. Thanks guys for always tuning in. Please, if you're new here, click the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscribers, love you guys. So guys, it's Christmas. I'm so happy. So I was about preparing my delicacy for this Christmas, and I decided to share my recipe with you guys. So keep calm, relax, take a chill wine, and let's get started. So guys, on today we are going to be preparing fried rice, and these are the ingredients we will be using for preparing our fried rice today. Here we have the carrots, the green and yellow pepper, the green beans, the long beans, the spring onions, and the already cooked and fried gizzard. And here we have our turkey. So guys, let's get started. So guys, firstly we are going to cook our turkey. So here I have all the seasoning mixed up together. We've poured our seasoning inside the turkey, and we'll be adding our onions. We have to mix it up together. So guys, I've mixed all my ingredients with the turkey. So I'll have to cook this for 15 minutes. I did not add any water. So we're going to wait for it to cook for like 15 minutes before we'll be adding water. So guys, we'll need to wait for like 15 minutes. Then we'll be right back. So guys, it's about 15 minutes now. So let's see how it is. Guys, do you see the reason why I said don't add water yet? As you can see, it brings out its own water. Guys, we'll be adding our pepper. And just a little water, because it already has much water that will be okay to prepare our fried rice. So I'll be adding just a little water. I think this pot is small. So guys, I had to change the pot because I think that pot is small for this. So I turned it into a bigger pot. So I've poured in the pepper and I added a little bit of water. So we have to leave this for like 30 minutes to get cooked, and then we'll fry. So guys, let's see how it is. This is about 35 minutes now. So as we can see, our meat is cooked. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll have to fry it now. So guys, I'll be taking these out. So guys, it's time for me to start frying my ingredients. So I'll be starting up with these long beans. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of seasoning and a little bit of salt. So guys, I've finished frying my ingredients and I've washed my rice. This is the meat sauce and I've added a little bit salt, seasonings and fried rice spice. So I'll be pouring the rice inside now for it to get cooked a little bit. So guys, our rice is cooked and now we're going to be turning our ingredients inside. We're going to be turning this one inside and mix together, then we'll start frying. So guys, this is it. It's time for me to start frying it. So guys, this is it. Yeah. So I hope you were able to learn something today. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new video. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Bye.